Yo, alright, look, I'm back. I ain't gonna lie. I know it been a long time, I know. But look, I'm back with the Jace thing. You know, little Jace preset, cause I'm so behind right now. I ain't gonna lie. I know. Yeah, I'm super behind. But look, we gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna show y'all this real quick. Then I'm gonna show it without the beat. All right. Money on the payment. Wish you that bitch up, them bullets blazing. Yeah, I get to that money, I swear I'm chasing. Yeah, I love on my dick, I swear I'm glazing. Money coming in, amazing. Money coming in, okay then. Y'all try to take my flow, my cadence. She just took my soul, no patience. Baby at the top, I just need patience. Baby at the top, I just be waiting. She don't fucking mean, no slaving. Say that you gotta be and get my cadence. Yeah, these ad-libs old. These from the old Jace ad-libs. Like, if you just want the ad-libs, they literally like my other Jace video from like months ago. But yeah, the redown one. But yeah, I try. I ain't gonna lie, it don't sound that bad. It just like these, like, I don't know, like you need to be on actual FL for his stuff. I ain't gonna lie. But like, I try though. Money on the payment. We shoot that bitch up, them bullets blazing. Yeah, I get to that money, I swear I'm chasing. Yeah, I love on my dick, I swear y'all glazing. Money coming in, amazing. Money coming in, okay then. Y'all try to take my flow, my cadence. She just took my soul, no patience. Better be at the top, I just need patience. Better be at the top, I just be waiting. She don't fucking mean, no slaving. Say that you gotta be and get my cadence. Hey, that's not bad. This really not bad for real. But look, if you don't like specifically this one, there's two other ones. This one and this one. To me, this one the best one though. All right, but look, I'm gonna show this again. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it in the description. But like, you know, I'm about to show it too. Money on the payment. We shoot that bitch up, them bullets blazing. Yeah, I get to that money, I swear I'm chasing. Yeah, I love on my dick, I swear y'all glazing. Money coming in, amazing. Money coming in, okay then. Y'all try to take my flow, my cadence. She just took my soul, no patience. Better be at the top, I just need patience. Better be at the top, I just be waiting. She don't fucking mean, no so. Money on the payment. We shoot that bitch up, them bullets blazing. Yeah, I get to that money, I swear I'm chasing. Yeah, I love on my dick, I swear y'all glazing. Money coming in, amazing. Money coming in, okay then. Y'all try to take my flow, my cadence. She just took my soul, no patience. Better be at the top, I just need patience. Better be at the top, I just be waiting. She don't fucking mean, no slaving. Say that you gotta be and get my cadence. Payment. We shoot that bitch up, them just of my soul, no patience. Better be at the top, I just need patience. Better be at the top, I just be waiting. Chains on fucking me, no slaving. Say that you got a bing, get my cater. Yeah, top, I just be waiting. Yeah, that's basically it. I'ma get consistent again, I ain't gonna lie. Cause yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it was just been school, I ain't gonna lie with you. But yeah, so I mean, this ain't a bad preset for real. Like, I don't know, like this ain't bad. This is probably the best you can get BANDLAB wise. Cause, you know, dude FL, so. But yeah, XO code on SoundCloud, that'll be in the description, all that stuff. But yeah, that's about it. Peace.